Okay guys, this is part one of my Edge Pro sharpening videos. It's been requested that I do these, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with a Cold Steel Recon Tano. It's out of the box knife. I mean, it's, as you can see, it's dull. I mean, it's not, it's dull. Okay, so okay, the first thing we do is got to set the depth of the blade. So let's get this set. Okay, I had this set up for battle mistresses, so it's going to be a little different here. Okay, a little bit thinner blade here. So what you do is you set it, the blade, so it's just barely coming over the edge. So I just set it about like that. Alright, so you can, it just hangs over the edge and you tilt the blade. So yeah, there we go. Alright. Do the Sharpie trick. Try to get the edge down. I'm going to start out with a 220 grit stone here. This knife just has factory edge on it. I'm not going to reprofile it, so there's no need. So this is somewhere around a 20-something degree angle I've got set on here. So let's see how close that is. Raise it up, get the angle here, closer. It's going to stick with a factory edge, just sharpen it up. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. See how close we are here. Yep. Right on the money. Okay. Looks like we're right on the money. Alright. So you're just going to take it. All we're doing is finishing up the edge here. And address the edge up. Flip over the knife. Too bad. It's like I don't need to change anything. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now we're just dressing it up. Nothing special here. Just give you a general use of the Edge Pro. Raise the burr a little bit. Take the burr off. Okay, burr's off. I'm going to move on up to the next grit, which is my 320 grit here. These stones have been used a lot, but you get the idea. Okay. Same thing.